try to promise and get you new things mixed up from everywhere. So today, as I was getting to my GoDaddy hosting, I found that my version is still old, and the current version is about 5.6. Now, what was my problem is that I used to think that I don't want to go and catch it. I need some tech guy to come and help me up and do this upgrade. So now the current version right now in GoDaddy as of today is 7.1. So today I thought of searching here and there to see if it is easy or I need a tech guy to do it for me. So I found it's easy and you don't need a tech guy to do it for you. So I'll just show you the way. I recorded the video so I could show you the way of how to get it. So I'll just come from the beginning, from the start. So now here, as you get into my product page on GoDaddy, so what do you need to do? Just click on manage hosting, manage all. So like I have this to hosting. So we'll go ahead with aakingdom.com and we'll click on manage. And you'll see that I already have a note here that I need to do the update, but I'll show you the other way. So you just go down. So if you don't have that note, you just go down here to the end. Where you go down here, you find that select PHP version. Easy. Just click on that. As soon as you click on that, you don't have to do anything, because I used to get into this page and I thought, oh, whoa, what do I have to do? It seems to be difficult. Maybe I have to click all of this and do the update or something. But no, what you need to do, just click on this here. So this is my current version, 5.6. Just click on this and get into the latest version, 7.1. And what do you do? Just click set as current. That's it. So it is so easy. So I hope nothing happens. Great, it's done. It's easy. And then just click save. And it's updated. So I hope this would be very useful for you guys. And in case if you like my videos, please like and share the channel. And I'll promise to always get videos of new things, whatever I find in my life here, either on my website or either any other things that will be beneficial. Thank you very much and have a good day.